How to fix Meta Smart Glasses charging issues. The first thing to do is make sure you are using the original charging case and cable that came with the glasses. Place the glasses properly in the case, ensuring the charging pins line up with the contacts on the frame. You should see a small LED light on the case or the glasses that shows charging has started. If nothing happens, try cleaning the charging contacts with a soft dry cloth to remove any dust or dirt. Also check that the charging cable is firmly connected to a power source and try using a different adapter or outlet if needed. Make sure the case itself has enough power since the glasses charge from the case battery. If the issue continues, restart your glasses by placing them in the case, closing the lid, and waiting a few seconds before trying again. You can also check for software updates through the MetaView app, as updates sometimes fix charging bags. If none of these steps work, it may be a hardware issue and you should contact Meta support for further help. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.